Hello viewers, this is your Murthy, came here with a new topic for you. The topic name is words often confused. To reduce that confusion, we have to learn clearly about those words. While writing or while speaking, these words are confusing us. If you prepare regularly or if you listen regularly, you have to be in touch with this vocabulary and it becomes active to you. While writing or while speaking, you may reduce the problem by preparing this chapter and these words. And I am going to explain you what are homonyms and what are homographs and what are homophones. I am trying to explain you. Some students and some viewers asked me to do this video. So for that I am giving this video. Please watch it. And just look at the board. My dear students, my dear viewers, just look at the board. Words often confused. Homograph, homonym and homophone. What is meant by homograph? A word with spelt like another word but different meaning and pronunciation. You have to observe what is the meaning of homograph. Homo means same. Homo means same and graph means to write. To write or write. Same writing. That means the spelling is the same. Here you have to observe same writing. But the spelling and the meaning are different. For example, a word with spelled like another word. Spelling is the same. That means spelling is the same. But different meaning and pronunciation. Meaning is different. For example, I have to take these two words, bow or bow. This is called bow and this is called bow. Spelling is same, pronunciation is different. Bow or bow. And bow means, we can say in Telugu, villu or dhanusu. And bow means to bend head, to respect others. And the second one is homonym. Homonym. Homo means same again. A word spelt and pronounced same but with a different meaning. You have to observe. Spelt and pronunciation same. Different meaning. For example, see here example. C and C. Spelling is the same and pronunciation is also same. C and C. But the meaning is different. This C means look, a watch or something else. And this C means the office of a bishop is called C. So it is a noun and it is a verb. This is called homonym. This is called homonym. And the next one is third one, homophone. Here we have to understand the etymology. Homo means again same and phone means sound. What is the meaning of phone? Sound. That means same sound. So a word pronounced like another word. A word pronounced like another word but with different spelling and different meaning is called homophone. For example, just look at the board. Some and the sum. S-O-M is sum and S-U-M sum. Pronunciation is the same but spelling is the different and meaning is also different. Here observe, sum means certain amount and sum, S-U-M sum means an amount of money, a sum of money, and we can say in our mathematics a sum means a problem. The first pair of words, ability and capacity. What is the difference between ability and capacity? Just look at the board. Ability power or skill to do something physically or intellectually. Ability should have a natural, by birth we have ability. So the power and the skill to do something, we have to do something. For that we need some natural ability, natural power, natural skill. And whether it is a physical work or mental work or any intellectual work. So it is called as ability. So for example, PK has, that means Pawan Kalyan has unusual ability as an actor. As an actor, he has an unusual ability. It is a natural skill. Acting is a natural skill to him. And Prabhas, another example we can say, Prabhas has unusual ability as a fighter. Capacity means, capacity is power to receive the ability. Capacity means capacitor. How much can we hold? How much can we contain? What is the capacity of a container? So like that, for example, the factory has a capacity of producing 1000 units per day. What is the capacity of the factory? When we question, so it contains or it produces 1000 units per day, not more than that. That is its capacity. That means ability and capacity are the two confusing words. If you observe a little bit difference between them. So we have to be clear when you go through it with some more examples. The next pair is accelerate or exhilarate. Accelerate, exhilarate. What is meant by accelerate? Everybody knows this. Acceleration. Acceleration means speed up or increase or hasten or quicken. These are called accelerate. Speed up. Accelerator. We can say in a brake, accelerator is there. Accelerator. The government wanted to accelerate the rehabilitation work. What is meant? What is going to do by the government means it wanted to increase, it wanted to complete or speed up the rehabilitation work or because of corona or something else. And the next word is exhilarate. Exhilaration means joy, cheerfulness, and rise high spirits. Rise high spirits. Overflow of powerful feelings, happiness. So the joy no bounds is called exhilarate. So on listening to the music concert, his heart was exhilarated. What is the meaning? On listening to the music concert, that means music, by listening music, his heart get lighted. The third one is, just look at the board. Accept, accept and expect. What's that? Accept, accept and expect. What is the difference between these three? Now let us discuss. What is meant by accept? To approve, agree or to receive willingly. Everyone accept this. We have to accept the ideology of some persons. We have to accept the orders given by the management, like that. Accept means agree, approve. So the man decided to accept anything that comes to him in life. That means he has to agree whatever he may came in contact with his life. And see, and accept. Accept means here we can use as a preposition also. Accept means to exclude or to omit or not including. For example, except Rajesh, all others did well in the exam. Except Rajesh, all others did well in the exam. Means only Rajesh didn't write well in the exams. All other persons wrote well in the exams. That means, so except means but for, like that. So the next one is expect. Expect. What is meant by expect? To believe that something will happen, something will going to happen or come. So that is expect. Expectations. We have to expect something going to happen tomorrow. I expected this, like this. So elders ask to work more and expect little. The fourth word is accessory and accessory. accessory and accessory. Both pronunciations are same, but spelling is different. Here ARY and here ORY, and the meaning is also different. Now let us see the difference between and this accessory and this accessory. For example, accessory means accessory is one who helps others in crime. That means who helps others in crime. He is a helper. He is a helper to the criminal. So he is called as an accessory. For example, Raju was made an accessory in the train robbery case. So Raju helps robbers to rob the train. So he became an accessory. Understood, I think. And the next one is accessory, ORY, ending with ORY. Some extra parts attached to bike or bicycle. Everyone knows it. The bike with the accessories, the bike rate without accessories. If you want to buy a bike with accessories, it costs rupees 85,000, and without accessories only 80,000. We can avail it. See here, the bike with all accessories costs rupees 85,000. Accessories means some extra parts, some additional parts to a bike, and these accessories to protect, it is useful to protect our bike always. The fifth one is three important words: adapt, adapt and adopt. What's that? Adapt and adapt and adopt. Just observe it. Here look at the board. Adapt. What is meant by adapt? To make something suitable for new use or situation. For example, Shakespeare adapted his stories to his audience. So he is always ready to write suitable stories to his audience, which is suit to the audience. So he adapted his stories to his audience. That means like that. The second word is adapt. Adapt means expert or skillful person, and for doing something else. And for example, PV Sindhu is an adept in playing badminton. PV Sindhu is an adept in playing badminton. Like that, Sania Mirza is an adept in playing tennis. The adept means skill. The next one is adopt. Adopt means approve legally, to accept and approve. That means adopt means to accept and approve. An orphan as a child is called adopt. They wanted to adopt an orphan as their child. That means adopt. Okay, thank you. See you in the next class.